Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create your own effects on TikTok. So first is you have to open any web browser, and then using the search bar is you just have to type out TikTok house effects or TikTok effects house. Okay, so just type it out right here, and then you just have to click on enter, and you'd be able to see this websites right here. So just select this first one, the TikTok effect house, and then this page will open. Now right here, what you want to do next is you have to download this application. So to do that, just have to click on this download effect house. And right here, you can go ahead and click on download it for Windows. When you clicked on it, the download process will now begin. And once you finally downloaded the effects house, you just have to click on this download button right here at the top right, and then click on that file that you have downloaded. Okay, now you just have to install it. So just click on install now, and then just wait for a couple of minutes until the installing process is complete. And then now finally you have successfully downloaded and installed the TikTok effects house. So what you want to do next is you have to log in with your TikTok account. So you have to open your TikTok mobile app and profile and tap add friends, and then tap the QR scan, and then you have to scan this QR code right here, and you'd be redirected to your TikTok account. Okay, so you just have to follow those instructions so that you'll be able to log in with your TikTok account. So here you just have to click on continue, and now you just have to click on open. Okay, now finally you're signed in, so you just have to go back to the effect house to continue. Then right here you just have to click on the let's go button. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and finally you're now here on the TikTok effect house page. So you can now start creating your effects for TikTok. So first thing that you want to do is to click on this button right here, and you have to select your face. Okay, so you've got different faces right here that you can choose. So for you also have the body, the two persons option, the hand, the environment, and the pet. So for the face, I'm going to select this one right here. And when you go to the Asset Studio at the top left of your screen, you'd be able to see this 2D sticker and the face mask. So if you want to use this 2D sticker or face mask, you can also do that, and then generate mask that you want to use. Now you just have to click on X, and when you go to the other buttons, you'd be able to see the face sticker. So you can add face sticker. For the screen image, you can add a 2D image in the screen. And then right here you also have the portrait segmentation, so isolate the subjects from its background into the space. You also have here this hair eraser, eyebrow eraser, the pucker, the side face, the trail, the yell. You've got a lot of options. You also have here the face stretch and the face liquefy. And when you go here for the face mask, eye effect, lip effect, eye color, you also have here the bling, the bloom, the chromatic aberration, distort, grain, and for the filters, you also have here the pet effects at the top right. Now let us start to create our own effects. So when we go to the portrait segmentation, we'd be able to see here and add our background. Okay, so you just have to import an image to use as our background. So just click on the texture sequences, and then select the folder, and you have to select the image or the background that you want to use for your TikTok effects. For example, this one, so you just have to click on it and just simply click on this open button, and then that background image will be added. Now what you want to do next is you have to go to the filters, and right here you just have to adjust the filter. So you just have to apply preset or copy the preset, and for the color correction, you can adjust your temperature, saturation, your brightness, your contrast, the exposure, and the temperature. So let me just adjust it just a little bit right here, so you have to be specific if what kind of filters that you want to achieve. Okay, so I'm trying to achieve a fairy tale or a fantasy effects right here, and I want to add a vignette effect. So just go to this effects icon at the top, and then you just have to select a vignette, and then just have to adjust it. Okay, so you just have to adjust the power and the contrast. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a face mask or face effect, eye effects, or lip effects, so you can do that as well. For this effects, I want to add a hair segmentation, so you just have to select it. And right here, you just have to select the color for your hair segmentation. So I want something lighter, so I want to turn this into this color. And now when you go to the generative options right here, I want to go ahead and try to add something like a side eye or a slow blink or wink. So you can add any of this. And then right here, just have to view or preview that effects. Now, since I'm trying to achieve a fairy look or effect right here, I'm going to add the bling effects. So just have to click on it. And then you just have to adjust textures, opacity, or the brightness, as well as the intensity. So you just have to adjust it according to your want. So once you're satisfied with the effects that you have created, what you want to do next is you have to submit these effects. Okay, so you just have to click on the submit button right here at the top right of your screen, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then this page will open. Okay, so you just wait for a little while, and right here you just have to add your effect icon. So you just click on it, and then you just have to select your effect icon right here. So you just have to click on that after that, and then of course the effect name. So you have to create your own effect name since you're the one who created this TikTok effect. You just have to enter here the name. For example, I want to name this folder as Diwata. And for the hint or optional, let users know how to use your effects. So for example, show face. And for the challenge option, so this is optional. And for the category, I'm going to select the beauty, and then right here you can add up to 5 tags related to your effect. And if you want to add a demo video, so you can upload it right here. Then once you're done, you will then just have to click on next, and then just have to preview all of the details. And if you're ready to submit your effect, then you just have to click on the next button right here. So you have your effect name, and then just click on submit. Now your effect has been submitted, so they're going to notify you once they've finished reviewing your effects. The review process usually takes up to 1 to 3 business days. So you just have to close this one and wait for their message. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.